Hey everybody, welcome back to Lady Luck HQ. On today's session, I'm going to take you through several bonus games on 5 Dragons, Jackpot Vault, and Pharaoh's Fortune. And then I'm also going to take you through a hand pay, which is going to be on Lightning Link. Now, little disclaimer before you watch the videos, we did have some alcoholic beverages throughout these videos. And when I have more than 2 vodka cranberries, my Midwest accent, I guess, comes out a little more than usual. So just know that. But here they are.
All right, 17.
You did so good picking.
Pharaoh's Fortune.
You know how much anxiety I get on this game. Here we go.
Let's get something awesome, hopefully. This is the
Big money.
wow. Want to hear that? Wow. Come on, something offensively large. $132, okay.
Alright.
Let's get a retrigger. Retrigger would be awesome, right, Ben?
Yeah, that would be amazing. Come on, do it.
Oh, a bunch of wilds, too. Wow.
Come on, Pharaoh. Come on, Pharaoh. Come on, Pharaoh. Let's do this. Big, big, big.
Wow.
588.
Well, that was crappy.
I feel like this has been
Oh my goodness, that was horrible.
judging on what we picked, but
Wow. Wow. All right, Lady Luck, take us through this though. This is the Jackpot Vault. Been $12 a pop.
12 bucks, and he hit the bonus. Husband's been very lucky today. Ooh, what was that?
It's a quarter denomination machine.
So $16, all right.
For 25 cents.
All right, times 2. So we got 53 there. Come on, big money. Oh, times 3, what was that? Wow, 203, that was a great hit. I don't think anything lined up there. What was that?
428.
Sweet, what a great pick, my dear. All right.
Not bad. 508.
What a great bonus.
Thank you for watching Lady Luck HQ.
Alright, so we're playing 5 Dragons Rapid and triggered the bonus game. And which one would you like, Lovey? You hit the bonus, so you pick. 10 free games at $10, $15, or $30 multiplier. Alright, here we go. There should be something with the 9s times 10. There was a small victory. All right.
That should count as a retrigger.
I agree. Another small victory. We're looking for big money.
2 more left.
Come on, make it count. That should be something.
Oh.
Times 10. Woohoo! What did we win there, Lovey? Sweet.
Now a little bit more. Is that 1,000?
Wait, is that $1,000? think it is. Because it won't let us advance, so
Yeah.
we're going to watch the coin show, everybody. We already tried to push it a few times, so here it is. 10 times multiplier.
Yeah, it's 100,000. So yeah, it's
$1,000.
$1,000.
Okay, I'm going to try to advance again.
No.
Alright, we'll just let it play out. Nice pick, darling. I think husband's been a lot more luckier on this trip than me. Wow. That was fantastic. That was 5 dragons rapid, and we just won $1,046. Sweet. Thanks for watching Lady Luck HQ. So we were playing Lightning Link, sitting here bantering back and forth, and we got the bonus.
So it's already a hand pay.
Is it?
It is.
Yeah, it is. All right. Well.
Action.
Here we go. Action. I'll give you some action.
Please do.
Ooh.
Another $250.
All right, well, let's keep this going. Wow, I'm like, oh my goodness. All right. Wow. My dear. Holy
Wow. Let's hit it.
Let's do this. We have 2 little spaces we need to fill in. All right. Let's make this count. Please? Oh.
That is A-okay.
What happened? Let's see. Husband, what do we get? Wow. Okay. Wow.
Definitely a hand pay.
Oh my. Wow, oh, I guess I didn't realize. Wow, my dear. Well, there it is. $2,800. Woo! Redemption time. I wish we could have done this live, but nonetheless, you're still seeing it. $2,800. A winner!
That is awesome. We'll just go ahead and advance that. Hey, don't quit your day job, right?
Right?
$2,800. Rock.
Lovey, that was all you.
Rock and roll.
Well, we hope you enjoyed that session. Those games were certainly fun. On Who's Getting Lucky, we are featuring Chris from Oklahoma. Now, he was playing at Rivers Casino in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and he put in 20 bucks into a machine called Mighty Cash. He got the bonus game on one of his first spins, and he was only betting $2.50. Well, he hit the grand in the bonus game and took home over $4,600. Take a peek at these images to see his massive hand pay. If you want to be featured on our next Who's Getting Lucky segment, in the description of this video are details on how you can enter. What we're looking for are fun line hits, big jackpots, your hand pays, something fun you've done it at a casino, and I'll feature it in my next video. And if you guys were wondering what my sweatshirt says, there it is. Anyways, thanks for watching Lady Luck HQ. Bye!